Hi guys, if the 8BitDo ultimate software is not detecting your controller, it's usually a connection or mode issue. So in today's guide, you are going to learn how you can fix it step by step. So first of all, you need to open the 8BitDo ultimate software and then you need to simply connect your controller using a USB cable first. Now, some of the features don't work properly over Bluetooth, so wired connection ensures the software can detect the device. Now, you need to check the switch on the back of the controller, set it to the X input or 2.4 GHz mode depending on your model. Avoid using the switch mode when you are connecting to Windows. Sometimes the wrong mode is a most common reason the app doesn't recognize the controller. Now, once detected, you can just simply go to update firmware in the software, install any of the updates available. The outdated firmware can prevent the proper communication within the application. Now, you need to close the app and reopen it. If needed, you can reinstall the software from the official 8BitDo website. And this is also going to fix the app level bugs and corrupted installs. So these steps are going to help you get your 8BitDo controller working with the software quickly. Thanks for watching.